He left his arm.
Oh, looks like he forgot it.
Yes, Gumball, he did.
I cannot believe Starscream got away.
He was being attacked by the Spinosaurus.
A what?
A Spinosaurus. It's a dinosaur.
Oh,
Who's there? You must be Hammerhead. Exactly, Spider-Man. And you know, Shocker. Hello, Bug. Nice to see you again. What do you want, Hammerhead? Is the big man here? No. But there is someone else who can help you fight the creatures. Flint Marco as Sandman.
Sandman?
All right.
Starscream, I don't quite understand how this could have happened.
And yet, it did! Can you imagine my horror? There I am, minding my own business, when my arm just falls off! Clearly, Megatron inflicted more damage upon me than you realize. Doctor.
Well, on the bright side, this provides an excellent opportunity for an upgrade. Let's see, you could go with the sonic cannon. It's reliable, low maintenance, although it lacks a certain flair. Personally, I prefer the null ray. It has just the right mix of flash and firepower.
I don't want a new model! I just want the same arm I had before!
The Starscream, your equipment is a bit obsolete. I'm not sure I have another one lying around. Of course, we could try to salvage yours. You kept it, didn't you?
It was beyond recovery.
What was that? Oh my God, what is that? Oh no, not
Marco, are you ready to help Spider-Man fight the creatures and get them back through the anomalies? Do I have to fight those creatures? You're powerful. You've got sand. You are a nobody. Well, exactly. I am a nobody. Flint Marco was a nobody, but everyone's gonna know the name Sandman. Sandman in Elmore? Yes. He can help Spider-Man fight the creatures and put them back through the anomalies too. Sandman. Impressive name. He is powerful. Yes, he is powerful, Megatron. Spider-Man, what? There's a bird in Larry's store. I tried to stop it, but it bit me. What bird? It's a big one, but that's weird, like different than an ostrich. Don't worry. I'm on my way. Buzz, come on. Right. To infinity and beyond. What bird is it? Hey, no. Hey, you stupid bird, get out of the store. Ah, stop it, get out, you're making a mess. Quit it, stop eating the cheese balls. Stop it, you annoying bird. I'll take it from here, Larry. Spider-Man, thank goodness you've come. Hey, come back here. Ugh, where do you think you're going? Buzz! Alright, now it's on. Gotcha! Uh-oh! Oh, no! What just happened? I happened. Sandman happened. No, that's just wrong. Gotcha! Alright, where's the anomaly? I don't see it. Oh, I see it. Come on, Sandman. Get this creature back through the anomaly. Oh, sand. My bad. Silly bird. How do you like that? Ha, gotcha. God. Could you? Yes. Hey, what the? No, you don't, creature. No, you don't. Missed again. Gotcha. Back where you came from. Now I must go. If you need me, I'll be at the big man's lair. Nobody knows who is the big man.
What happened? Megatron pound you like scrap metal again?
I would rather not discuss it.
Honestly, Starscream, you need to take better care of yourself. Didn't you retrieve your limb?
Spider-Man,
Yes, Gumball?
I have a date today.
You do?
Yes.
You and Penny.
Yes.
No interruptions. But the creatures might attack at the restaurant.
Maybe. But it's gonna get worse.
Yeah, I might feel bad for you. Don't worry, Gumball. We will keep the creatures away from you and Penny.
Good. Hey, Gumball. Hey, Penny. Ready for a date? Yes, I am.
What's going on? Gumball has a date today. Oh, him and Penny. Yes, but it's going to get worse. Why? Creatures, that's why. Oh. We have to keep them away from them. Right. Huh? What the devil? What is that? I don't know. Don't move a muscle. Hey, come back here. Darn it. Creatures these days. Get in. Another creature here. Trying to escape. What's going on, Lord Megatron? Gumball Watterson has a date with Penny. He doesn't want any interruptions. Doesn't want anything worse. But if that creature attacks, it's going to get worse. But this creature's little. Okay. If the date gets worse, Penny will be mad. Exactly break down. Spider-Man, Buzz, and Optimus are trying to stop this little creature. Perhaps I should be going out to help too. Oh, Hearn. What? You should go help Spider-Man fight this creature that's trying to escape and put it back through the anomaly. Alright. The Rhino don't want to get Spider-Man waiting!